Hello guys, how are you doing today? Hope you're having an awesome day today. I want to appreciate you so much for always coming to watch my videos. Thank you so much. Welcome to HairArtistry Styles, your go-to channel for the latest braid hairstyle, their benefits and expert tips to keep your braids looking flawless and stylish. Whether you're looking to elevate your style with trending new braids or want to explore the endless possibilities of protective styles, our channel has you covered. We dive deep into the benefits of different braiding techniques, showcase a variety of styles that suit every occasion, and offer expert tips to keep your braids looking flawless. Join us on this journey of creativity and self-expression and fall in love with the art of braiding all over again. In today's video, I'll be talking about top trendy crochet braids hairstyle for every African woman. As we dive in, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And if you're new here, please also like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Right now, crochet braids are a popular and versatile hairstyle for African women, offering a range of styles that blend beauty with protection. In 2024, several crochet braid trends have emerged, each catering to different preferences and occasions. Coily crochet braids are a timeless choice, providing a full voluminous look with bouncy curls. These are perfect for women who want a soft, romantic style that's easy to maintain. Box braid crochet offers a classic box braid appearance without the lengthy installation time, making it a convenient and stylish option. Box braids crochet offers the classic box braid appearance without the lengthy installation time, making it convenient yet stylish option. Fox locks crochet has gained popularity given the bold, edgy look of dreadlocks without the long-term commitment. For those seeking a relaxed, beachy vibe, wave crochet braids are an excellent option, offering loose, flowing waves that are ideal for casual settings. Goddess locks crochet adds a touch of elegance to the lock style with coily or wavy ends, making it perfect for special occasions. Straight crochet braids provide a sleek, polished look that is suitable for professional environments or formal events. For women who love to celebrate their natural texture, Afro kinky crochet braids mimic the look of natural fussy hair, creating a bold and aesthetic style. Twist crochet braids offer a modern alternative to traditional braids featuring sleek, defined twists. Experimenting with colored crochet braids allows for bold statement with vibrant shades, while authorized crochet braids add a personal touch with beads, curves, and other embellishments. Overall, crochet braids offer endless possibility for African women, allowing them to express their individuality while protecting their natural hair. Whether for everyday wear or special occasions, there is a crochet braid style to suit every taste and need in 2024. Finally, I would love you to take your time to watch the video and embrace the amazing styles of crochet braids you like. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. See you in our next video. Bye.